Skyrocket your earning, sell socks online now. Find yourself brimming with innovative ideas for sock designs each morning and possess a drawer overflowing with eccentric patterns and styles. By choosing to sell socks online, you can share your creative flair with a broader audience while generating revenue. Method 1. The Etsy Adventure. Etsy is an ideal platform for creative individuals to sell socks online, attracting numerous shoppers seeking one-of-a-kind and personalized items. Create your Etsy shop. Design your quirky socks. Find a reputable and trusty print-on-demand service that offers socks. Sync your designs with your chosen provider. Method 2. Let marketplace platforms do the work for you. Sign up for Amazon's merch program or an eBay seller account. Research best-selling designs. Find a reputable and trusty print-on-demand service that offers socks. Translate your funky, quirky sock concepts into dazzling digital designs. Set the price and enjoy a stress-free profit. Before diving into social media, it's crucial to develop a memorable and eye-catching brand identity for your quirky sock designs. Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook provide excellent opportunities to display colorful sock designs and interact with prospective customers. Design your unique and quirky socks. Partner up with a print-on-demand service. Use hashtags, influencers, and the many other weapons of the social media world. For more details, check the link in the description.
That's it, folks. If you're eager to get rich now, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for daily money-making guides. We're here to support your journey to wealth. Don't forget to click the link in the description to access an exclusive detailed post on GetRichNow.com. It's time to level up your financial game. Join us, and let's get rich together.